Let's be blunt. If you're planning to start dropshipping in 2026, the odds are really stacked against you. Some estimates suggest that as many as 90% of new stores fail within the first few months. And honestly, it almost always comes down to one thing: the products you choose. Most new sellers are picking from a graveyard of saturated, low-profit junk, and then they wonder why they're just burning cash. Are you still scrolling TikTok, hoping to stumble upon something that looks cool or went viral 6 months ago? That's honestly the fastest way to the dropshipping graveyard. It's time to throw that strategy in the trash. Instead, this video reveals the data-backed product categories that are positioned to actually make you money in 2026. You'll uncover the specific niches you must avoid, and more importantly, the winning product categories that trends show are poised for growth. For years, the dropshipping dream was simple. Find a cheap gadget on a supplier site, mark it up, run some ads, and profit. That was the old way. That playbook is officially on life support. Competition is fiercer than ever, and customers are way smarter. They expect fast shipping, high-quality products, and real brands, not some anonymous, slow-shipped package from halfway across the world. The market has evolved. The winners of 2026 aren't the ones with the flashiest viral gadget, they're the ones with the best data and the most reliable supply chains. They understand that the best products aren't just flashy, they are strategic assets that solve a real problem, ship cleanly, and still leave room for profit after you pay for ads. That's the new way, and it's the only way you'll succeed. Focusing on a data-driven approach has generated millions in sales for top sellers. And today, that exact playbook is yours. First, we'll cover the product categories you need to run from, then we'll dive into the gold mines. Before finding winners, you have to eliminate the losers. Picking a product from one of these categories is like trying to start a fire with wet wood. It's a total waste of time and energy. These are the niches to avoid at all costs. Saturated, low-margin, viral gadgets. This is the #1 trap for beginners. You see a sunset lamp or a portable blender all over your For You page and think, I should sell that. The problem is, so does everyone else. By the time a product is hyper-viral, thousands of stores are already selling it. The market becomes a race to the bottom on price, and your profit margins get absolutely crushed. You can't survive paying for ads when your margin is only a few dollars. These generic, one-feature products that don't solve a strong problem are a recipe for failure. Fragile or complex products. This includes anything that can easily break in transit glass items, certain electronics, or products with a bunch of small, delicate parts. As a beginner, you often don't control the specifics of packaging or the shipping process. A high rate of damaged deliveries leads to angry customers, chargebacks, and refunds that will drain your profits and could even get your payment processor account shut down. This also includes products that are heavy or bulky. The shipping costs for items like furniture or large toys will eat your entire margin before you even make a sale. Products with unverified health or safety claims, honestly, this is a legal and financial minefield. You really need to be extremely cautious with anything that makes a dramatic medical or health promise, like so-called miracle diet teas, muscle stimulators, or unverified supplements. First off, you have no idea what's actually in these products. Second, platforms like Facebook and Google, well, they have incredibly strict advertising policies for these items and will shut down ads with unproven claims in a heartbeat. Selling safety equipment like bike helmets is also a massive liability risk. If the product fails, you could be held responsible. The same goes for items advertised as waterproof. If that phone pouch fails, you might be on the hook for a very expensive phone. Copyrighted and branded products. This should be obvious, but people still try it every single day. You cannot sell a hoodie with a Marvel logo or a phone case with a Disney character on it without a license. It's illegal, and it's a surefire way to get your store shut down and, honestly, potentially face a lawsuit. This absolutely includes counterfeit products like fake designer bags or shoes. It's a fast track to failure and will damage your reputation permanently. Avoiding these 4 categories will save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. You'll actually be ahead of half the competition just by not making these common mistakes. Now for the fun part. Based on current trends, where should you be looking? The recurring winners for 2026 are likely to be products that tap into major consumer shifts, sustainability, wellness, remote work, and convenience. They solve a clear problem and have a strong marketing angle. The first one is the energy-conscious smart home. With energy costs on the rise, consumers are actively looking for ways to save money and live more efficiently. This has created a massive demand for smart home devices focused on energy management. These aren't just gimmicks, they're utility products with a clear return on investment for the customer. A winning product example? Smart energy monitoring plugs. These devices let users track the energy consumption of any appliance directly from their phone. The marketing angle is simple and powerful. See which appliances are draining your wallet and turn them off remotely. Other examples include solar-powered security cameras and lights for off-grid use, or smart thermostat valves for room-by-room heating control. Why does it work? These products have a high perceived value, solve a real financial pain point, and are perfect for demonstration-style video ads. So, let's talk about the pet wellness and pet nanny economy. The pet industry is honestly, famously recession-resistant. Pet owners these days are increasingly treating their pets like children, and, well, they're willing to spend premium prices on products that improve their pets' health, safety, and comfort. The trend is definitely shifting from simple toys to tech-enabled care. A great example of a winning product here would be smart pet feeders with cameras. This is absolutely perfect for the pet owner who has returned to the office or just loves to travel. They can see, talk to, and feed their pet from anywhere in the world. It really solves the powerful emotional pain point of having to leave a pet alone. Other examples include self-cleaning litter boxes, orthopedic pet beds, and GPS smart tracker collars. Why does it work? Well, pet owners are emotional spenders. These products have a strong emotional hook, command high prices, which gives you great margins, and they're incredibly easy to market with user-generated content of cute pets. Oh, and personalized pet accessories are another exploding sub-niche to keep an eye on. Next up is fitness recovery and at-home wellness. The wellness trend is moving beyond just working out. It's now all about recovery. People are really looking to bring spa-grade experiences into their homes to save both money and time. This whole biohacking trend means customers will pay a premium for tools that promise better sleep, faster muscle recovery, and improved focus. A top example of a winning product here is red light therapy wands. These portable devices are used for skincare and reducing muscle inflammation. They have a high perceived value, they're lightweight, easy to ship, and they tap into the massive beauty and wellness markets. Other examples include smart sleep masks that block light and play Bluetooth audio, portable ice bath pods for the cold plunge trend, and smart posture correctors that vibrate when you slouch. Why does it work? Well, this niche solves a clear problem: pain, stress, poor sleep. It has a real wow factor that's perfect for video ads, and it targets a passionate audience. Just be careful with your marketing. Focus on the wellness benefits, not unprovable medical cures. Eco-friendly and sustainable alternatives are, honestly, no longer just a niche trend. They're a permanent shift in consumer behavior. More and more people are willing to pay a little extra for products that actually align with their values. The key here is to move beyond those saturated items like bamboo toothbrushes and focus instead on innovative, problem-solving eco-products. Take reusable silicone storage bags, for example. These are a direct superior replacement for single-use plastic Ziploc bags. They're not only better for the environment, but they also save customers money over time. Other winning examples include eco-friendly cleaning tools, clever reusable storage solutions, and even solar-powered phone chargers. Why does this work? Well, this niche allows for some truly powerful brand storytelling. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a mission, and that helps you create a loyal customer base with strong repeat purchase potential. So, how do you tell the difference between a winner and a loser on your own? It's not about a gut feeling, honestly. It's about running every potential product through a simple, data-driven framework. Here's the 5-point checklist you should use. It's called the green light, red light system. First, demand and problem strength. Is there real, provable demand? Use Google Trends to check if interest is stable or rising. Does the product solve a genuine pain point, or is it just a novelty? A wow factor is great, but it needs to be tied to a real need. Next, profit margin. Can you realistically sell this product for at least 2.5 to 3 times your landed cost, including shipping and fees? This is a strong rule of thumb. If your margins are too thin, you simply won't be able to afford advertising and will never be profitable. Don't bother with low-ticket items that have tiny margins. Then, shipping friendliness. Is it lightweight, compact, and durable? Avoid anything big, heavy, or fragile to keep shipping costs down and prevent damage. Fast, reliable shipping is absolutely non-negotiable for customer satisfaction in 2026. Next, competitive landscape. Who are you competing against? If Amazon is dominated by sellers with thousands of reviews, it's a sign to be cautious. You'll need a very strong brand or a unique angle to stand out. Look for products where multiple independent stores are successfully advertising. This shows there's room in the market. Finally, marketing angle and ad appeal. Can you easily create compelling video ads for this? Products with a clear visual transformation or a satisfying wow factor absolutely kill it on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Let's run 2 products through this system just to show you how it works. Example 1, a generic kitchen gadget. Demand might exist, but the problem it solves is honestly pretty weak. The profit margin is likely razor thin because of high competition. Shipping is easy, sure, but the marketing angle is weak since it's not unique. This is a red light. Now, example 2, a smart pet feeder with a camera. Demand is strong and growing. It solves a powerful emotional problem. The profit margin is high because of its premium price. Shipping is manageable, and the marketing angle is amazing. Just think of all the endless videos of cute pets. This is a clear green light. This framework is your shield. Use it for every single product idea, and you'll protect yourself from making bad financial decisions. The dropshipping landscape of 2026 is not for amateurs, honestly. The era of finding a random product and hoping to get rich overnight is over. But for those willing to treat this like a real business, the opportunity is actually bigger than ever. Stop picking from the product graveyard. The winning formula isn't a secret. Demand plus strong problem plus healthy margin plus easy shipping plus a killer ad hook. The best products are rarely the flashiest. They're the ones that solve real problems, ship without headaches, and leave you enough profit to grow. Focus on the high-growth categories we discussed here: smart home energy, pet wellness, at-home recovery, and sustainable goods. And validate every single idea with the 5-point framework. Now here's a challenge for you. Pick one product idea you've had. Run it through the 5-point filter and comment below whether it's a green light, yellow light, or red light, and explain why. The comments will be read and replied to. If you follow this advice, you'll be miles ahead of the competition. You'll avoid the pitfalls that cause others to quit, and you'll be on the fast track to building a profitable, sustainable dropshipping brand in 2026.